Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I'll turn around so the light's on my face. There you are, that's better. Anywho, tonight we are going to Winter Wonderland here at Newcastle Racecourse. It is £5 a person to get in, and that gives you another free entry during the week, so Monday to Thursday. So you can come twice for that £5. You don't get anything else for that £5, just to walk around. Then you have a little Christmas market set up. So let's have a look at what we've got. Hey! Ooh, we have a coffee lounge, and no Christmas fair is complete without the German sausages. Having myself a Jack Daniel's Tower Burger. Oh my god, how the heck am I going to eat this? Oh well, it's going to go all over. And Emma got some loaded fries with Jack Daniel's barbecue pulled pork and nacho cheese. And we've just noticed there's even a Chinese here. Didn't spot that before. Cup of mulled cider just to warm the old cockles. And Emma's got mulled wine again. Sitting in the Alpine bar. And Emma's still eating her crisps. And Emma's still eating her chips. Sorry, dirty fries. So we've had our time in the bar. Time to have a look around the shows at the fairground and see what's here. I don't think we're going to go on anything though, because they are quite expensive and they're mainly kiddie rides. But let's go have a look anyways. Well, unfortunately, we're not getting to see many rides working because it is so quiet tonight. It is only Wednesday. It gets a lot busier on the weekend. And yeah, there's not many here at all. The hooker duck has actually frozen. That's how cold it is. Extreme! Unfortunately, it's not running. Ooh, I found a ride that's running. I best go film it. Coffee and cookies. And the best song ever. They've even got a zip line. The lights are switched off on it, so I don't know if it's working tonight. And I'm not sure if I'm a little bit too, how should we say, fat and heavy for it. Actually, the zip line is on because somebody's getting ready to go on it. And unfortunately, I've just checked and I am too heavy for it. Wah, wah, wah. And we have a real ice rink, if that makes sense, because normally these are made of plastic, and this is a real ice one. Cool. Literally cool because it's ice. Yeah. Anywho.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old.
The ropes are getting tensioned, or the cables. We're about to open the doors. There's a guy pushes you up to the top. Something tells me that's not working correctly, because his job is to push the cars up the lift hill. Yeah. They do work, but they just don't have the power. I think you should be pushing them cars up there. What do you think? Oh, you've lost a hand, that's why. No problem.
Christmas is home, where the snow would fall, and the air was crisp and cold. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right, and the candles.
Ooh, these lights have made my camera go goofy. Disney tours? Yes, please. Get me away from this cold.
From Rudolph's marching band. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candle lights would glow, when we used to play in a wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band, and we'd hear.
Well, there you go. That is Winter Wonderland here at Newcastle Racecourse. Quite expensive, but it is fun to have a walk around. See you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.